Hey IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm back with another video for क्यू कार्ड prediction for IELTS speaking. Guys, आने वाले दिनों में जिनका भी एग्ज़ाम है ये वीडियो उनके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है। इस वीडियो में स्पेसिफिकली मैंने डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म से न्यू एंड रिसेंटली आस्ड क्यू कार्ड्स को गैदर किया है एंड ये सारे क्यू कार्ड्स आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाले हैं, तो आप इसको लाइक प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे ज़रूर देखें एंड प्रिपेयर करें ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम डे पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना आए। ये वीडियो स्पेशली 7 और 14 सितंबर वाले एग्ज़ाम डेट के अराउंड जिनका भी एग्ज़ाम है उनके लिए है। गाइस, इफ़ anyone from you have appeared for IELTS exam recently, it is a request, it is a humble request भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना कोई भी क्यू कार्ड है, चाहे वो पास्ट वाला है या न्यू क्यू कार्ड है, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें ताकि ये दूसरों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रह सकता है। तो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द फर्स्ट क्यू कार्ड, ये महसाना में पूछा गया था टू आवर स्टूडेंट। इट्स नेम इज डिस्क्राइब अ नेचुरल प्लेस। सेकेंड इज डिस्क्राइब अ स्पोर्ट्स दैट यू ओनली वॉच। It was asked in Ahmedabad. The third one is describe an interesting conversation you had with a very old person and describe something that you would like to pursue in the future. These two cue cards were asked in Barnala. Describe a technology you found difficult to choose. Describe a place where you feel relaxed. It was asked in Ludhiana. The next keyword is describe a person who thinks music is important. Describe a place you have been to where things are expensive. Describe an enjoyable journey by public transportation. Describe a picture of you that you like. Describe a natural place. Describe a time when you were busy. Describe an important plant in your country. Describe a useful object in your home that you cannot live without. Describe an occasion when you wore your best clothes. Describe a person who you are happy to know. Describe a movie, film that you felt strongly about. Describe a time when you used a paper map. Describe a skill that you learned when you were a teenager. Describe a new law that you would like to introduce in your country. Talk about a town or village where you would like to live in the future. ये सिमिलर क्यू कार्ड है जो पहले था, उसमें जस्ट सिटी और कंट्री था, तो ये एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्स होके आ सकते हैं। Describe a place where you like to study indoor or outdoor. Describe a person who likes to buy goods with low prices. Describe a successful person who you once studied or worked with. Describe your favorite place in your home where you can relax. Describe a development in your country like shopping center or park, etc. Describe a skill that you learned in your childhood. These are some of the new cue cards asked at various locations. Some of them are asked to our students and some of them I have gathered from different platforms, so they can be misleading as well. A time when you were asked to give your opinion in a questionnaire or survey. Describe a traditional meal that you prepared in your country on special occasion. Talk about a funny incident that happened to you, an occasion you were surprised to meet anyone, an English lesson you really enjoyed, a car that you would like to buy in the future. Describe a birthday you celebrated. It was asked in Gujarat. Describe an activity that you used to do in the childhood in free time. It was asked in Chandigarh. Describe an important achievement you made. Describe foreign food. Describe a time when you had to do something quickly while you were helping other person at the same time. It was asked in Rajkot. Talk about a time when you were late for an appointment. Talk about a meal you had. Guys, before moving on, I would request you guys, if you are struggling with your IELTS speaking or any other module and need help with your preparation, you can join our one-on-one classes for speaking and other modules, and the prices for speaking module is 800 rupees. And if you want, you can take the demo session from us. The demo session will be free of cost. You can get it from our Telegram or Instagram. You can message me over there. In case of next cue cards, these are asked in Moga. Describe a picture photograph of you that you like. Describe a historical building you have been to. Describe an important plant in your country. It was asked in Gurdaspur as well. The next cue cards were asked in Anand city of Gujarat. Talk about an interesting old person you met recently. Describe an historical period you would like to know more about. Describe a person you would like to study or work with. Guys, apart from this, it is important to cover first 20 cue cards from Makkar list at the moment and to stay updated with other recently asked cue cards. And in case of task part 1, then you should be prepared with 50 intro topics. It will be like asked from these only. Some of the important part 1 are interest in news, life stages, childhood, asking for help, concentration, exciting activities, shopping, maths, mobile phone. So these are some of the important topics from part 1 and part 2. So थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइस। अगर आप भी रिसेंटली अपीयर हुए हैं आइल स्पीकिंग के लिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना क्यू कार्ड ज़रूर लिखें। बेस्ट विशेष फॉर योर एग्जाम, होप यू गाइस गेट योर डिजायर बैंड स्कोर्स।